Oh, the snake is so much fun. Look at that. For the first time they see toys. Look at that. Starbuck and Sunny especially loving this. Yeah, look at that. Oh, going for the ball. Going for a ball. Good job, Starbuck. You get it. You get it, Starbuck. Woo! These babies are not even 3 weeks old. They're already playing with toys. Good job. Look at you.
Oh, they're getting
Look
sleepy.
at you. They're getting tired. Look at the bundle. He's still holding on this thing. Come on. Oh, look at that. Rafa is interested. Oh, Rafa is interested. What's that? They're falling asleep with the toys. Look at that. What's that, Raf? Look at that. Ooh, look at that. What's that noise? What's that noise? Oh my goodness, what's that noise? This noise totally activates them. Wow, what's going on? That is so much fun. My goodness. That is so much fun. Wow. That is so much fun. Snakes and balls. Wow. It's a baby Rafa. Wow, baby Rafa. They're totally getting sleepy. Night, guys. Oh, good night, baby. Oh, you pretty face. Good night, pumpkin.